Hello girls, as you can see I'm on our blog and this is just a very short tutorial to show you how to edit it, and it is a really easy task. Once you're a member of the blog and you've logged in, you can see under this blog post the pen icon. You click on that and the page turns into an editable page. And all you have to do is type in the information. Mona and Arabic were working on that in the last lesson. When you're done, you just click on update. It goes back into the account. You click on view. And you can see the page. It's non-editable page, and as soon as you've saved it, we all receive an email that this person has made changes to the blog, and that will allow me to get on the blog and make any corrections if necessary. And that's really, there isn't anything else to do. Good luck with that.